Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Take some out for Bill's breakfast. Oh, it looks so good. Yummy. Here is the butter roll on Bill's plate. Today I'm preparing an old-fashioned butter roll. In this bowl I have mixed flour, salt, sugar, and baking powder. I'm gonna go ahead and grate my butter into my biscuit mix here. And I use this so that the butter can break up evenly in the biscuit mix here. And I leave the paper on it so that it won't melt or I won't get my fingers caught up in this grater because it's very sharp. And we go ahead and place the dough on a floured surface here. And I'm gonna roll it out. Get some of this dough off my hand. I'm gonna go move this bowl out of the way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and roll this out. Roll it out very thinly. Roll it out kind of like a sprinkle cinnamon and sugar on the dough. I'm going to add a third of butter to the dough here. This is the sauce that going over the butter roll. This is sugar that I have in the pan here. I'm going to go ahead and start that on high. And I also use a can of carnation milk. I have it in this container over here that I'm going to pour into this sauce a little bit later. Add a dash of salt to this and some vanilla later. Medium. And I'm going to add a little cornstarch to this. I'll add it to the milk. I added a little brown butter to that, just a small amount of butter, just to kind of coat the pan. Let it cook for a little while. I'm going to add a little nutmeg into the sauce. And a little cinnamon. It smells so good. It smells so good in my kitchen. Taste it. Good. When the sugar turns brown like that, it kind of forms a candy, but sugar just dissolves into the sauce and make it like a brown amber color, which is what I like. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the sauce in the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna place the butter roll in the pan over the sauce. Now I'm gonna pour some sauce over the butter roll. I'm gonna cook it at 375 degrees. And midway of the cooking process, I am gonna add some more of the sauce that's on the side of the butter roll on the top again. The butter roll is ready. I just took it out of the oven and it smells beautiful. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.